Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to install Tableau Desktop on our local machine. Along with that, we'll be also learning how to apply for a student license if you are currently graduating or you have completed your graduation in the last year. Hey, it's me Srikanth Tirvidla, who is a Tableau trainer and consultant on Tableau. Without any further delay, let's start installing Tableau on our local machine. For that, we have to type Tableau Desktop free download, or you can enter the following URL in your browser and fill these details. So currently I am giving my details here. So you have to give the business email. You have to enter these basic details, and I'm giving the sample details of these, and we are clicking on analytics. um, we are taking this as consultant or developer. You can choose student if you are a student. Here student is also there, and you can choose the country. Here we can provide the mobile number also, and click on download free trial. So like this, on the right side top, download of Tableau Desktop file will start. The completion of download. So after completion of download, we'll start installing procedure. We have downloaded the Tableau exe file successfully. If the Tableau download has, so Tableau file has been downloaded successfully. If the Tableau download hasn't been started, you can use this option, click here option to start the download if it has not started automatically. As we have downloaded the Tableau file, we have 3 steps to follow. We have completed first step. Second step is to install, and third is the register. Let's open the Tableau file. And we are going to right click on it and run as administrator. This is a simple installation process wherein you don't have much complications here. You can click on install. This process is going to take a couple of minutes. So after the installation is complete, so this completes our Tableau installation as it has been successfully installed. Now let's go to how to apply for a student license if you are a student. So here we are going to type Tableau free license for students or Tableau student license. So for students, you'll be able to get 1 year free license to use. Here we need to give the legal first name, last name. Generally, I'm giving the sample details here. These are the not actual details. So you are going to enter the same name which is available in your identity card given by the educational institution. In that identity card, you need to have date of birth along with the name of the institution and the duration of the study. By that, I mean to say, if you are studying currently graduation, so here first we have to give the email ID of issued by the school, or you can give your own email ID and confirm the same email ID here. Along with that, you can give your date of birth details, preference language, country, and your school name as in the search, or else you can type the name also and click on verify students. So here you will be asked to upload files here. So if I'm clicking on this, so you should be able to select the ID. Currently I'm selecting some random thing just to showcase the next screen. Now we need to upload the documents here. So here we'll be going to upload the documents here. So here by using this option, we are going to apply this document and click on continue. After successful completion of the document, you'll be asked to submit the button, and after that, maybe in 5 to 10 minutes or approximately in 1 day, you'll be able to receive the Tableau student free license ID, where you can enter that here in the help option about Tableau. So after receiving the free student license from your email, you need to go to Tableau Desktop, and in the help option, we can select manage product keys. Here, this license can also be used in another two machines with the same ID to log into the Tableau Desktop using student license for 1 year. So you can share it to your friends who are already studying. So that ends today's session on how to install Tableau Desktop. Along with that, how to apply for a student license and get a 1 year free student license. And let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.